So I am partying with the nose goblins, and there's one participant. Can't forget my Red Bull. This actually has not had an appearance in quite some time, but those have still been in my life. Here's another participant, my radio, which was on just a minute ago, listening to my standard rock, and I've got this pool table which I do not use. So the only other thing left to do is light that incense over there. But yep, I'm partying with the nose goblins. And we've got a few more snacks for such an occasion, especially these spicy nachos, that sort of thing. So, yep. It's just a regular screwed up day. And of course, these would be ideal mementos in partying with the nose goblins. So you may be wondering how else we do that, and you may be wondering what the hell does that even mean. Well, all you gotta do to figure that out is just look up what a nose goblin is. Got another participant, but she's shy. Yeah, it's supposed to be kind of like a comeback to if someone wants to abandon you to do something that they think is better. Partying with the nose goblins. So it's, you know, you can check one for idiocy. Idiocy over diplomacy. Dysfunctional over prepositional. Huh. But so there's just among many things that is kind of like, I mean, this backyard is becoming pretty much like a haven for me, and it always has been, I'm not gonna lie. But I guess there's really no explanation for partying with the nose goblins. All it's supposed to be is supposed to, you know, if you feel like being an ass clown or something and you're going to act in it. Yeah, I mean, that's basically what it is, you know, you've heard people say, I'm gonna be an asshole tonight and I'm gonna be a jackass. Well, there you go. That's the meme. I'm gonna start making more memes. I know that, I mean, that's kind of like one of my first memes, so it's a little bit, you know, that's the whole fucking thing. But party with the nose goblins. So among these many things, there's going to be more. So I guess I'm gonna try to hit that plant right there with this spike ball, which I didn't do. Trust me, I don't know what I'm doing. That's like the whole thing, but that's the funnest part. That's real, if that's such a word. That's funner than something your average bear could come up with. That's funner, funnest, gooder, truer, doper.